Hello student, I am Shivam sir. Welcome back to another important video. Today I am telling you hydrocarbon. Topic is hydrocarbon, its classification. Hydrocarbon can be classified as funda to learn types of hydrocarbon or classification of hydrocarbon is AC. A for acyclic or open chain compound, C for cyclic or closed chain compound. Acyclic or open chain compounds are of two types. Number 1, saturated hydrocarbon. Number 2, unsaturated hydrocarbon. Unsaturated hydrocarbon are of two types, alkene, alkyne. So look here, hydrocarbon can be classified as number 1. Number 1 is funda to learn classification of hydrocarbon is AC. A for acyclic or open chain compound. C for cyclic or closed chain compound. After this, funda, best funda is A for acyclic or open chain compound, C for cyclic or closed chain compound. After this, acyclic or open chain compounds are of two types. Number 1, saturated hydrocarbon or compound. Number 2, unsaturated hydrocarbon or compound. After this, unsaturated hydrocarbon are of two types. Number 1, alkene. Number 2, alkyne. Okay students, number 1 alkene, number 2 alkyne. I am starting from saturated hydrocarbon. In this classification we will study about some important point that is in your syllabus. So first point is hydrocarbon. What is hydrocarbon? Hydrocarbon, compounds made up of hydrogen and carbon only, is called hydrocarbon. Hydro means hydrogen, carbon means carbon, means compounds made up of hydrogen and carbon only. It's called hydrocarbon. So look here. Hydrocarbon. What is hydrocarbon? Hydro means hydrogen, carbon, carbon. Compounds made up of hydrogen and carbon only. It's called hydrocarbon. So definition of hydrocarbon is compounds that are made up of hydrogen and carbon only is called hydrocarbon. After this, according to your syllabus, we have to study only saturated hydrocarbon or compound, unsaturated hydrocarbon or compound, and its classification. So after this I am telling you saturated hydrocarbon. Next point is saturated hydrocarbon. Other name of saturated hydrocarbon is alkane. First definition, कर लो माइंड में फिक्स, वैलेंसी ऑफ एटॉमिक नंबर ऑफ कार्बन इज 6। माइंड में कर लो श्योर, इसका इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन होता है 2,4। इन द लास्ट सेल 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन प्रेजेंट, सो वैलेंसी ऑफ कार्बन इज 4। वैलेंसी ऑफ कार्बन इज 4। माइंड में कर लो श्योर, कार्बन की वैलेंसी है 4। ओके, सो डिफिनीशन ऑफ सैचुरेटेड हाइड्रोकार्बन इज hydrocarbon in which carbon atom are connected by single bond. Hydrocarbon in which carbon atom are connected by single bond is called saturated hydrocarbon. What is saturated hydrocarbon? Hydrocarbon in which carbon atom are connected by single bond. Best definition and easy definition of saturated hydrocarbon is hydrocarbon in which carbon atoms are connected by single bond. It's called saturated hydrocarbon. Other definition of saturated hydrocarbon: hydrocarbon in which all the valency of carbon is satisfied by single bond. Easy definition of hydrocarbon: hydrocarbon in which carbon atom are connected by single bond. It's called saturated hydrocarbon or alkane. Other definition: hydrocarbon in which all the valency of carbon is satisfied by single bond. It's called saturated hydrocarbon or alkane. Now we will study about saturated hydrocarbon. GF, general formula of saturated hydrocarbon or alkane is CnH2n plus 2. Molecular formula, structural formula, name. Putting here n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 dash dash. And dear student, you have to learn important point here. C1 is called meth, C2 is called eighth. If you want to know organic chemistry, then you have to learn basic of organic chemistry, and this is the basic of organic chemistry that I am telling you today. Look here, C1 is called meth, C2 is called eighth, C3 is called prop, C4 is called but, C5 is called pent, C6 is called hex, C7 is called hept, C8 is called opt, 9 is called non, 10 is called dec. Okay, C1 is meth, C2 is eighth, C3 is prop, C4 but, C5 pent, C6 hex, C7 hept, C8 opt, C9 non, C10 dec. You have to learn it if you want to know chemistry, basic organic chemistry. C1 meth, C2 eighth, C3 prop, C4 but, C5 pent, C6 hex, C7 hept, C8 oct, C9 non, C10 dec. After this C11 undec, C12 dodec. After this C13 tridec, C14 tetradec, etc. Next, putting n is equal to 1 in this formula. Put here 1. C1, put here 1. 2 into 1, 2 1 ja 2, 2 plus 2 4. This is carbon. Now I am telling you, this is general formula, MF full form, molecular formula, SF full form, structural formula. This is name, molecular formula, CH4, structural formula. माइंड में कर लो श्योर, कार्बन की वैलेंसी है 4 और इसको हम लोग बैलेंस करेंगे सिंगल बॉन्ड से. कैसे? लेफ्ट लेफ्ट राइट अप डाउन. लेफ्ट में सिंगल बॉन्ड, राइट में सिंगल बॉन्ड, अपर में सिंगल बॉन्ड, डाउन में सिंगल बॉन्ड. ओके, लुक हियर. 1 2 3 4. कार्बन की वैलेंसी है 4. बैलेंस कैसे करेंगे? लेफ्ट राइट अप डाउन, लेफ्ट राइट अप डाउन. लेफ्ट में सिंगल बॉन्ड, राइट में सिंगल बॉन्ड, अप में सिंगल बॉन्ड, डाउन में सिंगल बॉन्ड. One carbon name, look here, what is the name of one carbon? Meth. And add the word ane, it become methane. Now we have to put here 2, put here 2, C2, 2 2 ja 4 plus 2 6, we get C2H6. How many carbon? 2 carbon, 1 carbon, 2 carbon. How to balance it? We have to use single bond. Trick is left right up down, left right up down. We have to use single bond. Alkane means single bond. 1 2 3, 1 2 3 4. माइंड में कर लो श्योर, कार्बन की वैलेंसी है 4. 1 2 3 4. 2 carbon is called, 2 carbon name eth. Add the word ane, it become ethane. After this 3 carbon, 3 carbon put here n is equal to 3. C3, 3 2 ja 6 plus 2 8, C3H8. 3 carbon, 1 2 3 4. Balance it, left right up down, left 1 right 2 up 3 down 4, left 1 right 2 up 3 down 4, left 1 right 2 up 3 down 4. This is the structure of C3H8. C3, what is the name of C3? Name of C3 is prop. Right here prop, and add the word ane, it become propane. Okay students, next. After 3 we have to put here 4. Put here 4, put here 4, we get C4, 4 2 ja 8 plus 2 10, C4H10. How many carbon? 4 carbon, 1 carbon, 2 carbon, 3 carbon, 4 carbon. How do we balance it? How we can draw the structure? Funda is left right up down, left right up down. We have to use single bond. Left right up down, left right up down. 1 2 3 4. This is the structure of C4H10. C4 name, what is the name of C4? C4 name is but. Add the word ane, it become butane. Now put here 5, put here 5, C5, put here 5. When we put here 5, then we get C5, 5 2 ja 10 plus 2, C5, put here 5, C5, 5 2 ja 10 plus 2 12, C5H12. 5 carbon, 1 carbon, 2 carbon, 3 carbon, 4 carbon, 5 carbon. Now we have to balance it, left right up down, 1 2 3 4. माइंड में कर लो श्योर, कार्बन की वैलेंसी 4. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. 5 carbon name, 5 carbon name is pent. Add the word ane, it become pentane. Students, similarly you have to draw other structure in homework. Write in your notebook. Okay, you have to draw a structure from C6 to C14. Name of this is 10 is C10 deck, C11 undeck, C12 dodeck, C13 trideck, C14 tetradeck. Okay students, this is homework for you. Next, now I am telling you funda, how you can write name of any alkane. For example, I am asking you what is the formula of pentane. Then funda is माइंड में कर लो श्योर, कार्बन के डबल से टू मोर, कार्बन के डबल से टू मोर. एक तो ये फॉर्मूला है CnH2n+2, इससे आप निकाल सकते हो. यहाँ 5 पुट कर दीजिए, पेंट 5 कार्बन है, 5 पुट कर दीजिए, C5 5 2 10 + 2 C5H12. या दूसरा फंडा है माइंड में कर लो श्योर, कार्बन के डबल से टू मोर, कार्बन के डबल से टू मोर. तो मान लीजिए आपको हेक्सेन का फॉर्मूला लिखना है, तो यहां पर आप 6 पुट कर दीजिए. ये हो गया C6 6 2 12 + 2 14. 6 नंबर इज कॉल्ड हेक्स, एट द वर्ड इन. और आप फंडा हेक्स मीन्स 6 और 6 का डबल 12, 2 मोर 14, C6H14. okay, next, what is the formula of octane? Oct means 8 carbon and funda is double of carbon 2 more. 8 का डबल 16, 2 more 18. This is the formula C8H18. okay students, so funda is double of carbon 2 more. I am telling you last, this is 9 number. 9 number is called known, or at the word n, no name, no name. 9 number is C9 and funda is double of carbon 2 more. 9 का डबल 18, 2 more 20. This is called no name, no name. And last time telling you, if you have any confusion then clear it. What is the formula of decane? Formula of decane. Decane, dec means how many carbon? Dec means 10 carbon and funda is double of carbon 2 more. So double of 10 is 20 and 2 more 22. This is the formula of decane. Okay students, I hope that you can understand this part of saturated hydrocarbon alkane very well. You can understand this part of hydrocarbon. First part, that is according to your syllabus, is saturated hydrocarbon. Second is unsaturated hydrocarbon. Unsaturated hydrocarbon, hydrocarbon in which carbon atoms are connected by double bond or triple bond. Hydrocarbon in which carbon atoms are connected by double bond or triple bond is called unsaturated hydrocarbon. What is unsaturated hydrocarbon? Hydrocarbon in which carbon atoms are connected by double bond or triple bond is called unsaturated hydrocarbon. Okay, clear? So look here, what is unsaturated hydrocarbon? Hydrocarbon in which carbon atoms are connected by double bond or carbon atoms are connected by triple bond. It's called unsaturated hydrocarbon. They are of two type. They are of two type. Number one is alkene. Number two is alkyne. Number one is alkene. Hydrocarbon in which carbon atom are connected by double bond is called alkene. Its general formula CnH2n. Hydrocarbon in which carbon atom are connected by triple bond is called alkyne. Its general formula CnH2n -2. Listen to me again. Hydrocarbon in which carbon atom are connected by double bond. Double bond. Hydrocarbon in which carbon atom are connected by double bond is called alkene. Its general formula GF is CnH2n. Alkyne. Hydrocarbon in which carbon atom are connected by triple bond is called alkyne. Its general formula GF is CnH2n -2. Student, I hope that you can understand all the points in this video. So like this video, subscribe my YouTube channel, share it to your all school friends. Okay students, I will tell you alkane and alkyne in next video. Okay students.